Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're excited to share with you the best Christmas Tealight holders in Snowflake and Star designs. The AGLARY Snowflake Tealight holders set of 4. Whether you're setting the mood for a cozy winter evening, planning a holiday wedding, or looking to add a little magic to your Christmas tablescape, this product might just be what you've been searching for. Let's begin with the design. Each Tealight holder in this set is made of clear, high-quality glass with beautifully etched snowflake patterns. The detailing is delicate, giving off a handcrafted, frosted look that blends seamlessly into any winter decor. When lit, the glass reflects the candlelight through the snowflakes, casting gentle patterns and creating a warm, inviting ambiance. At 4.4 inches in both length and width, and 1.3 inches in height, these holders are compact yet substantial enough to make a visual impact. They are ideal for standard wax or LED tea lights, which are not included in the package. Whether you're using real flames or flameless alternatives, these holders are designed to accommodate both. These aren't just decorative pieces, they're functional too. The base is thick and sturdy, making it resistant to tipping over. That means they're safe to use on tables during meals or events without worrying about stability. The glass itself is heat resistant, so you can trust that it won't crack under the warmth of a real candle. Cleaning is as simple as a quick hand wash, thanks to the smooth surface and durable build. What's truly great about this set is how versatile it is. They can be used for a variety of occasions beyond Christmas. Think winter weddings, New Year's Eve dinners, romantic evenings, or even spa nights at home. They work wonderfully as centerpieces, mantle accents, or part of a larger candle display. And because the glass is clear, they pair well with any color scheme. Now let's talk about unboxing. The packaging is designed to be shatter resistant, so even though these are glass, they're well protected in transit. That makes them not only a safe purchase for yourself but also an easy gift option for friends, family, or anyone who loves home decor. In terms of style, they offer a classic winter feel with a modern twist. If your decor leans toward minimalism, rustic charm, or elegant holiday aesthetics, this set will slide in effortlessly. And because they come in a set of 4, you can space them out around your home or group them together for a more dramatic effect. To wrap up, if you're looking for an easy and elegant way to transform your home this holiday season, the AGLARY Snowflake Tealight holders deliver both style and practicality. They're thoughtfully crafted, seasonally themed without being over the top, and flexible enough to use year after year. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest takes on home essentials, decor, and seasonal finds. And as always, check the description below for a link to the product. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.